Dart School presents Roman numerals. The ancient Romans used the letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. And in the Roman numeral system, the number 1 is represented by the letter I, 5 is represented by the letter V, 10 by the letter X, 50 by the letter L, 100 by the letter C, 500 by the letter D, and 1000 by the letter M. The Roman numerals are most commonly found on clocks today, and there are a few rules you need to follow in order to write down a given number in the Roman system. When a symbol appears after a larger symbol, it is added to the larger symbol. So when you have V and then I, V is for 5 and I is for 1, so this symbol I appears after a larger symbol, you add them, so this is equivalent to the number 5 plus 1, they are added, so this is 6. Similarly, if you have X and then I, it indicates 10 and 1, and because 1 is after 10, you add them, so this is 11, and so on. When a symbol appears before a larger symbol, it is subtracted from the larger symbol. So let me just underline them. After a larger symbol, added, and before a larger symbol, subtracted. So if you have IV, this means V minus I or 5 minus 1, so this represents the number 4. Similarly, if you have IX, this represents the number 10 minus 1, which is 9. And do not use a symbol more than 3 times in a row. So if you have 1, 1, 1, this indicates the number 3, but you are not supposed to add another 1 to make it 4. Rather, you would write IV for 4. Similarly, XXX is 30, but if you want to write 40, you will not write XXXX. Rather, 40 should be treated as 50 minus 10, so X and then L is equal to 40. The smaller symbol X appears before the larger symbol L, therefore you subtract 50 minus 10. Let's look at a few more examples. Let's say you want to write the number 68 as a Roman number. Split up the 68 as a 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3. 50 is L and another 10 is X. You want to add them, so you write the X after the L, and then 5 is V, and then 3 is 3 I's. So here we go, it's LXVIII. Similarly, if you want to change the number C triple X IV, that's in Roman, to the decimal form, the form that we are used to, C is 100, triple X is 10, 10 and another 10, that's 30, so you have 100 plus 30, and then we have I before a V, that means 1 before 5, so we need to subtract, it becomes 5 minus 1. So this is 130 and 5 minus 1 is 4. 134. And then how do you write, let's say, the number 2016 in Roman? Well, split this up into 2000 plus 10 plus 6. And that's not enough. Break down the 2000 into 1000 plus another 1000 plus 10 plus 6 is 5 plus 1. So we have M, M, X, V, I. So 2016 in Roman is M, M, X, V, I. That's how you change numbers between the Roman and the decimal system.